Ever wonder if you can spend that check you just deposited right away? Let's face it, waiting for deposited funds to clear can be a real pain. Especially when that car repair bill is looming or you have an unexpected expense. So, if you're a Capital One customer and you've just deposited some cash, you might be wondering, can I spend that money right away? The answer, like most things in banking, depends. But fear not, we're here to break down exactly how Capital One handles fund availability for different deposit methods. Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic check deposit. Whether you visit a branch or use the handy mobile deposit feature, Capital One generally follows a next business day availability policy for checks. This means the money will be accessible in your account for spending or withdrawal by the close of business on the following workday, excluding weekends and holidays. Now, there can be exceptions. If you deposit a large check, Capital One might place a hold on the funds for a few extra days to verify its legitimacy. They'll notify you of this hold at the time of deposit, so you won't be left in the dark. Need the money faster? Capital One offers a service called Early Paycheck for eligible direct deposits. This nifty feature can make a portion of your paycheck available up to 2 days sooner, depending on your employer's payroll schedule. There are some fees associated with Early Paycheck, so be sure to check the details before enrolling. Moving on to electronic deposits. Here's some good news. For deposits made electronically, such as direct deposits or transfers from another Capital One account, the funds are typically available immediately. This means you can see the money reflected in your account balance and access it right away. What about cash deposits? If you swing by a Capital One ATM or branch and deposit some crisp bills, you're usually looking at the same next business day availability as checks. However, funds deposited through Capital One's network of deposit-taking ATMs are generally accessible immediately. Remember, these are just general guidelines. Capital One outlines their specific deposit availability policy in their account disclosures. So, if you want the nitty-gritty details, it's always a good idea to check those out. Here's a quick recap. Check deposits, usually available next business day, with potential holds for larger checks. Direct deposits and Capital One account transfers, available immediately in most cases. Cash deposits at branches and ATMs, typically next business day, but immediate access at deposit-taking ATMs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.